Okay, so this video is how to block people. So sometimes in here, what you want to do is there's a few different ways. Sometimes when you hover over their name, you're not going to see this. But if you do get that pop up, you want to click the three dot and then ban from group. And then here, you want to go ahead and delete recent activity and ban their future accounts and confirm. Sometimes it says next, and then you'll click on next, and it's going to show all the other groups that you're an admin for that they're in also. And you'll want to block all those ones as well. So we'll go ahead and block this guy by confirming. If for some reason, sometimes when you hover over it, it doesn't work, what you can do is you can click right here on these three dots and then you can ban them from there. But sometimes this doesn't work either. So you can see error. So another way you can do it is decline the post. And then when you decline the post, it's going to say content removed, but right below ban this person. So go ahead and click on ban and then the same thing, confirm. So there's those three ways to ban these people. And then very rarely, but sometimes you can't ban them. I don't know why that is an error with Facebook. It's okay. Just go ahead and just delete the post. But if you can ban them, it's better. So you can see her post was removed, but there's no option to ban her. Thanks a lot.